Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3 is equal to 150, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown we have to solve for. To solve this, solution, so we have t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3 is equal to 150. Now what we are going to do is this. We're going to split this 150. We're going to have it as 125 plus 25. And right here, we can write 125 as 5 raised to power 3. And also write 25 as 5 raised to power 2. So instead of writing 150, we'll bring in 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 2. So this then becomes t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 2. Okay, so from here, let us move this over to this side and also move 5 raised to power 2 over to the other side. So this then becomes t raised to power 2 minus t raised to power 3, then minus 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 2, all is equal to, here becomes 0. Such that with this, let us bring the like terms to each other. So we have square here, bring them to one side. We have t raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 2. Also, we have power 3 here and power 3 here. Bring them to one side. Minus t raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3. All is equal to 0. So, from here, we have t raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 2. We can factorize out minus 1 from this. We have minus 1 into bracket. We are left with t raised to power 3, then plus 5 raised to power 3, all is equal to 0. So with this, looking at this right here, we have difference of 2 squared. So if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to, in brackets, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now in this case, the value of a is equal to t, while the value of b is equal to 5. Also, looking at this also, t raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 3, what you have is the sum of 2 cubed. If you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this is simply equal to, in brackets, a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now in this case, the value of a is equal to t, while b is equal to 5. So then let us expand this equation. So what we have is this, that we have for t squared minus 5 squared, using this format, we have in brackets a is t minus b is 5 multiplied by a is t plus 5, okay, minus 1. Also expanding this, making use of this format, we have a is t, so t plus b is 5 multiplied by a squared, a is t, so t squared minus a is t, so t times b is 5 times 5 plus b squared, b is 5, so 5 squared. All of this is equal to 0. So equate this to 0. Now from here we have in brackets t minus 5 multiplied by t plus 5, then minus 1 multiplied by t plus 5 multiplied by t squared. Now minus t times 5 is minus 5t plus 5 squared is 25, all is equal to 0. With this, we have a common factor, which is t plus 5, t plus 5. Simply factorize out t plus 5. We have in brackets t plus 5, okay, into brackets. Now, if we divide this equation by t plus 5, we have t minus 5. So, write down t minus 5. Then we have minus 1 into brackets. If we divide this equation by t plus 5, we're going to have this t squared minus 5t plus 25. All of this is equal to 0. So from here, what we have is this. We have t plus 5 multiplied by t minus 5. Now, minus 1 will open the bracket. Minus 1 times t squared is minus t squared. Minus 1 times minus 5 is plus 5t. Minus 1 times plus 25 is minus 25. All of this is equal to 0. So from here, we have in brackets t plus 5 multiplied by, so we have plus 5t plus t, which will give us 6t. Then we have minus t squared, and also minus 5 minus 25, the value is minus 30. Now all of this, right, is equal to 0. Now we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So what we have is this: t plus 5 is equal to 0, or this equation, 6t minus t squared minus 30 is equal to 0. Now, from this equation, this linear equation, we can conclude that t1 is equal to minus 5. So we have gotten the first solution for the value of t by moving plus 5 over to this side. So let us then solve for the other values of t from this other equation. So here we have 6t minus t squared minus 30. Now all of this is equal to 0. So we can rearrange this. This becomes minus t squared plus 6t minus 30 is equal to 0. So from here, we need to eliminate for this minus from here. And to do so, multiply the equation with minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by minus t squared is equal to 0 times minus 1. Now, minus 1 times minus t squared is plus t squared. Minus 1 times plus 60 is minus 60. Minus 1 times minus 30 is plus 30 equals 0 times minus 1 is 0. Now, with this, we have a quadratic equation. We have t squared minus 60 plus 30 equals 0. To then solve for the value of t, now since we have a quadratic equation, we're going to solve this making use of the quadratic formula. And the formula is given by, now since we have a quadratic equation, we're going to solve this making use of the quadratic formula. So the formula is given by, with respect to t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 6, while the value of c is the constant, which is 30. Okay, now we're putting the value of ABC into the equation. What we have for the value of t is then equal to minus b is minus 6, then plus or minus square root b squared, b is minus 6, so minus 6 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 30 all over 2 times a is 1. So from here, the value of t is then equal to minus times minus 6 is plus 6 plus or minus, okay, square root of minus 6 squared is 36. Then minus 4 times 1 minus 4 times 30 minus 120 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So with this, the solution of t is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 120. The value is equal to minus 84 all over 2, such that we can write the value of t to equal 6 plus or minus, this can be written as root minus 1 times root 84 all over 2. Next, the value of t is equal to 6 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times root 84 can be written as 21 times 4 all over, we have 2 all over 2. Okay, so t is then equal to 6 plus or minus I times, we can write this as root 21 times root 4 all over 2. So t is then equal to 6 plus or minus I times root 21 times root 4 is 2 all over 2. So from here, the value of t is then equal to 3 plus or minus I times root 21, such that the second solution of t is equal to 3 plus I times root 21, and the third solution of t is equal to 3 minus I times root 21. So these are the second solution and the third solution of the value of t. While for the first solution, right here, the first solution is minus 5. So T1 is equal to minus 5. These are the solutions for the value of t for the given question. So we have one solution for the value of t and two complex solutions for the value of t. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.